Hey, let me show you all camera tips and tricks for the Redmi A3. So first of all, we are going to start from the very basic options, and we will start actually from the photo mode. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you've got actually two methods or even three methods. So the first one, you can do this for sure by clicking on this presets, but also you can pinch screen with your two fingers. But in my opinion, there's like two better ways. First of all, you can click and hold currently selected preset, and now you will unlock this slider so you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by moving your finger all around this slider. And the second method is by using the power buttons, the volume buttons. So you have to click on this arrow, then click on the settings icon. From this you have to scroll to the volume buttons function and switch from the timer into the zoom. And take a look how great it works right now. When I'm gonna click and hold the volume up button, I can smoothly zoom in and smoothly zoom out. Next, if you are taking the photos with not the best lighting condition, you can still make some changes by clicking here and adjusting the brightness manually, so you can decrease or increase brightness level. As you can see right now, everything looks definitely much better. You can also do this automatically by clicking on the screen, and additionally you can also turn on the HDR by clicking here on the right upper corner. And when you tap on this icon, you can add some filters. As you can see, the filters are actually changing the colors and the temperature on the photos. There we go. Next, when we click right here, we can add the timed burst option. So we can activate it by clicking here, and now by tapping on this small arrow, it appears just right here, this arrow. When you click on this small arrow, you can pick the number of the photos that you want to take and interval. So for example, we'll actually take the photo, each second will be taken after each photo will be taken after 2 seconds. So click on the shutter, and now after 2 seconds the photo will be taken until the smartphone hits 250 photos. For sure, you can still pause it, and all of these photos that you already take will be visible in the gallery. The next option that is really useful is actually the voice shutter. So we can say the keyword cheese, and as you can see, the photo was taken. And from this, when you click on the settings icon, you can for sure enter for the settings options, where we can also take the photos by clicking on the screen. So take a look. Now when you tap on the screen, your smartphone is going to take the photo. It's going to automatically adjust the brightness, the color temperature, focus, and it will take the photo. So it's a very useful option. Next, from this one, we can also shot with the screen off. So we can take the photos or videos when the screen will be turned off after the 3 minutes of inactivity. So you can turn it on and use this feature. And from this, you can also get rid of the shutter sound. And from the settings, that's basically it. Now, when we go back from this one, we can go into the time-lapse mode. And when we click right here, we can even enter for the camera pro mode, where we can adjust all of these parameters manually by clicking on this information icon. From here, we can actually find this. This is actually the pro mode for the time lapse. So from this, we can find the ISO level, the exposure compensation, there's the automatic focus, and the white balance adjustment. So yeah, this is it for this video, the best camera tips, tricks, and the features for the Redmi A3. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.